Joel McCarty, and I'm the Software Product Manager for Genco Technology Solutions. We're here today at CTIA presenting one of our products, InQuest, that I'd like to talk to you a little bit about. Before I tell you more about it, let me start the product. So InQuest is a tool that solves two key industry issues in innovative ways. One, how do I protect my brand? Secondly, how do I reduce my supply chain cost? Protecting our brand, we do that through several key functions. One, we want to ensure that any device and consumer electronics device is free of previous customer information. Secondly, it's got the right content and settings that reflect my brand in the market that collectively give the customer the out-of-the-box experience that you want. While it's running here, I want to talk about what it's doing. Essentially, we're taking a device, we're going to recognize its unique make, model, the software version both in the phone and in the radio, qualify those, and then test the device for all the content. So that would be the lack of personal content first and foremost, that as we all know will get you in the news in the mobile space. And then secondly, do I have the right default content and settings that reflect my brand and the correct out-of-the-box customer experience you want to have? So a few key ways that InQuest is different than the competitor solutions. First and foremost, we don't put an application on the device. We find that injecting an application in the device, one, can fundamentally change it, and two, even if it doesn't, it opens that avenue of discussion between carrier and supplier that is not to anyone's benefit. Secondly, we go much deeper. A lot of the competition, you'll see advertisements that say we cover all Android devices. Well, to do that, you're checking a subset of the content. At InQuest, we believe that all the 164 different models and software that we deal with today are unique and need a unique solution. So as we see here, we run through a device. I've got a blinking yellow light here that tells me I need attention and some individual tests that are green or red. So I'm going to go ahead and acknowledge that attention. The product is showing me additional detail about what's wrong with the phone. When I acknowledge that, I can go to a much deeper view. As you can see, I have a red visual indicator from my operator. It tells me that the device is not suitable to ship the product, and we do integrate in ways into your quality or supply chain solutions to actually prevent that product shipment. But we also give you a detailed record of what's wrong with the device. If I click over here to the device details, I can see the location, the file system, the content. In this case, I've got a movie and a picture on the device and a clear record of the status of that. The other way this protects you is if that device should pass, before it leaves my facility, I have an objective record that says, here was the state when it left my facility. So again, I'm Joel McCarty with Genco Technology Solutions. To find out more information, go to www.genco.com.